Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Chase Rack for 2025 Plus CFMoto U10 XL Pro Highland. Install time for this item is around 60 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Install side panels. Begin by threading the T-bolts through the lower side panel, then install a washer and nut onto the back side of each bolt. Each side has 4 mounting points. When tightening the nuts, position each T-bolt so approximately 1 inch of the bolt extends from the bottom of the lower side panel. Begin by attaching the lower side panel of the chase rack to the vehicle. Align the T-bolts with the mounting holes on the top of the bedside. Each T-bolt is slotted on the end and should be positioned horizontally with the panel. You will need to hold each bolt in place while securing the nut. For now, leave all hardware hand tight. With the lower panel in place, it is now time to install the upper side panel. Begin by aligning the 2 panels, then hand thread the provided hex bolts. As before, keep all hardware hand tight to allow for any necessary adjustments in the next step. Once you have completed one side, you can repeat this process for the opposite side. Step 2. Install center panel. Begin by aligning the upper center panel with the 2 side panels. The center panel attaches using 4 bolts on each side. Start by hand threading the 2 outer bolts. This can take a few minutes since there is limited access. Once those are in place and hand tight, install the 2 inner bolts. Ensure all hardware remains hand tight to allow for proper alignment before final tightening. Step 3. Fasten hardware. Begin by fastening the 2 outer bolts on the center panel using a 16mm wrench. Once these are secure, tighten the 2 inner bolts using either an impact driver or a ratcheting wrench with a 16mm socket. Finally, secure the side panels using a ratcheting wrench with a 16mm socket. Ensure all hardware is properly tightened on each side. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.